Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by opening Task Manager now and sorting by disk to confirm 100% activity. You need that baseline. Once done, disable obvious startup culprits in Startup to stop background launches and free immediate I/O. Next, stop Windows Search and Superfetch, sysmain, temporarily to see if index or caching is the cause. You're taking quick, measurable steps. Observe numbers, change one setting, then recheck Task Manager to see which action changed disk usage. Now tackle deeper causes. Run chkdsk/f to repair potential file system errors because corrupted sectors cause constant reads. Schedule and restart if prompted. Make sure your SATA/storage controller drivers are current. Update or roll back in Device Manager to resolve driver-level I/O stalls. Also turn off delivery optimization in settings to stop peer-to-peer transfers while you troubleshoot. After each change, reboot. Watch Task Manager and note whether disk percent drops. This isolates the true culprit. Finish by restoring services you turned off if disk activity returns to normal. You want full functionality back after confirming the fix. If not settled, open Resource Monitor to trace exactly which process or file handles are causing reads. This is how you find culprits beyond Task Manager. If disk stays high, boot safe mode to see if third-party software is involved, and consider a targeted uninstall or system restore. One key tip: if nothing works, check Smart Health and consider a backup before replacing the drive.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.